Number 8.
Air pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the purME mask comes into play for effective protection. purME is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on purME, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. purME is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find purME comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, purME is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, purME weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of purME is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone facepiece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed. purME, the gas mask that you can wear every day.
Number 7.
Air pollution kills over 7 million people every year. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air, but nowadays we are facing an increase in problems associated with air quality. Today, we see more people wearing masks on a daily basis, but many of these masks do not work well and they lack the elegance and design for long-term use. Disposable masks have leakage problems. N95 masks are hard to fit, uncomfortable to wear, and sometimes difficult to breathe in. Despite the urgency of wearing a mask, what if you could have a mask that is comfortable to wear and protects you with a tailored fit? What if you could wear it out of pleasure like a pair of sunglasses? To fulfill such a desire, we have been working for the last 2 years to take advantage of AI, computational design, and 3D printing to provide a bespoke mask experience for everyone. Introducing the Nero 3D Mask, a fully 3D printed mask which is tailored to your fit so that you can be fully protected in style. The process is simple. Follow our online smart guide, and we will take your measurement and generate a bespoke design that fits you. The model will be printed through our trusted partner, Shapeways, in New York City and delivered to your door. Our process creates the perfect fit so that the mask can rest comfortably and minimize any potential for leakage. We use replaceable N95 filters to stop 99% of micropollutant particles so that you can breathe and enjoy fresh filtered air. Our masks are designed in a way to allow complete freedom to talk and express yourself without feeling muffled or constrained. It is your mask and your style, so you can label it with a customized message and even print it in your favorite color. Everyone has the right to breathe clean air. With our mask, we hope that we can help with this by delivering a comfortable and bespoke experience for everyone. Partner with us today to help make this a reality.
Number 6.
My name is Isaac and I grew up in Sydney, Australia with my brother Elias and lifelong friend Jack. When we went on a trip together to China, we suffered from the detrimental effects of air pollution firsthand. That's why we've created an award-winning mask, which doesn't compromise on style or functionality. With machine washable skins, changeable botanical filters, magic fit ear loops, memory nose foam, form-fitting design, and 2 of the world's thinnest valves made from marine-grade 316 stainless steel. We've taken care to craft a mask which exceeds in every detail. So now, when we are planning a trip together to Los Angeles, we have a mask which is breathable, comfortable, and stylish. We've made a mask that you can wear every day when commuting to work, riding a bike, or going for a run. Wear it with glasses or with makeup. It's a mask which stops you from spreading a nasty cough or catching someone else's. Our filters are made of electrostatic cotton, melt-blown microfiber and active carbon, blocking over 97% of particulate matter, 2.5 microns and even smaller. Exceeding Australian respiratory protection standards, our filters last up to 4 weeks. But we didn't just want to make another mask, we wanted to create an experience. Instead of treating our filters with harsh, antibacterial chemicals, our O2 Plus filters infuse natural botanicals sourced from Australian farms, offering subtle scents and unique benefits. From the lavender fields of Tasmania to the eucalyptus trees of New South Wales, our filters can help relax, decongest or stimulate your body. And of course, we have blank filters available as well. The simple click and switch design allows you to swap and replace filters depending on your needs. We think protecting yourself from air pollution should be simple. That's why we spent over 2 years working with the University of Sydney, creating countless prototypes and designs. There's a reason why we've won so many awards. That's because we have listened to everything you've had to say. It's a mask designed by you to suit all your needs. We've already finished prototypes, begun tooling, and are excited to bring our project to life. Our manufacturers are ready to go, and now we want to partner with you to make this a reality.
Number 5.
Is it possible to not only block toxic air, but also produce excess clean air in the process? This was how ATMOBLUE was born. ATMOBLUE is an innovative portable air purifier which protects users from air particulates while providing an enhanced breathing experience. ATMOBLUE features built-in high-speed fans and continuously supplies fresh, filtered air to users. With over 150 hours of use per filter, ATMOBLUE delivers 99.9% clean air around the clock. Replacing filters is easy. Simply swap out old filters using ATMOBLUE's magnetic filter caps. In addition to advanced filtration, ATMOBLUE features a patented strap channel design, providing a full range of motion, and comes with interchangeable designer skins to suit your style. We created ATMOBLUE so that you can breathe freely, because breath is the gift of life. Today, we are asking you to join us in our mission to offer clean air for all. Over the past year, we prototyped and tested ATMOBLUE. We received amazing feedback and even won a few awards. With your contribution, we can bring ATMOBLUE to life. As a special offer, all backers who pre-order their ATMOBLUE will receive discounted pricing on all accessories, including filter cartridges and skins. To make things even more exciting, all ATMOBLUE masks come standard with built-in smart features. Once we break our stretch goal, the ATMOBLUE app will be released, allowing for more enhanced mask features, such as automatic airflow adjustment, filter change notifications, local air quality index, and more. We're so excited to bring ATMOBLUE to you.
Number 4.
The iMask Plus is the first protective health mask that incorporates Bluetooth technology with a protective health mask. Created in a medical office, the iMask Plus is designed for long wear and comfort. Made of a soft, pliable plastic and silicone, the iMask Plus provides years of protection. Your iMask Plus arrives with 5 replaceable N95 or N95 filters for the mask. But most importantly, the one-way valve is filtered to protect the user and people around the user from viruses and bacteria. Included is a plug-in sanitizing unit within the carrying case, charger, and an AQI app to alert the wearer when your mask is needed. Noise-canceling Bluetooth speakers allows for the highest quality of sound. The iMask Plus is the only mask that you will ever need. Protect and connect with iMask Plus. Protect and connect with iMask Plus.
Number 3.
My name is Max, and I'm a mechanical engineer from Minneapolis, Minnesota. It was my lived experience in Singapore that first got me interested in both public health and in respiratory protection. And it was those key insights that drove me to create a better mask for daily use. All of that work resulted in the B2 mask. It's a lightweight, reusable respirator that offers 99% filtration against common airborne contaminants. The facepiece is one of the best aspects of the design because it flexes to a user's face creating an airtight seal that offers better protection than existing masks. It's also foldable for easy storage in a purse or bag. And because of the construction, it's easy to clean and maintain, either in a dishwasher or with alcohol-based sprays. Our filters are small and offer 99% filtration against common airborne contaminants. And unlike N95 masks, which have large domed shapes and complicated assembly, our small filters can ramp up in production really quickly in order to meet the demands of people around the world. In addition to superior technology, the other thing that's really important to people working at Breathe99 is access to that technology. That's why for every B2 we sell, we'll donate one to a person in need. Together, we will get through these trying times, and I thank you for your support.
Number 2.
The founder CEO of Thread House, Manuel Jackson, has been working in the mental health industry for over 10 plus years. Manuel realized once the COVID-19 pandemic hit that we may have a shortage of PPE and the healthcare industry would be highly affected. Manuel began making fabric masks. However, meanwhile taking in consideration all of the complaints about fabric masks, he began seeking out to create interchangeable, easy clean, safe, and functional masks with easy respirator filtration, and Plask masks began to be cultivated. In the US, the COVID-19 mortality rate for African Americans is more than double the death rate of any other ethnic or racial group in the country. That is why Thread House will be providing 2 masks to a doctor or nurse of color for every mask sold. Just complete the form, and we will choose licensed doctors or nurses to receive a Plask mask. Stay safe while also maintaining your comfort and helping fight structural racism. It's a win all around. Visit threadhouse.la today.
Number 1.
DeepU1.
Hey there!
A while ago, I started noticing that our face was designed to more or less always look the same, and making more profound changes to it is time-consuming, uncomfortable, and sometimes painful. And in a time when your online face capabilities are improving every single day through AI, filters, and animojis, that's just sad. So I started to develop a technology called DeepU. With DeepU, your offline face can be as adaptable as your online face. Reveal your real you, be anything or anyone, with just a tap of your finger. It's for the stage, the catwalk, the movies, dating, partying, hustling, sports, arts, politics, you name it. DeepU can boost your you in literally any situation.
It's the best thing ever. No more bad hair day, no more what happened to your face, no more did you call the police.
I am finally getting paid a fair amount for my job. Thank you, DeepU.
Before, being pulled over by the police has always been a stressful moment for me. Now cops ask me to touch their taser.
I used to hold back my opinions in real life, but not anymore. Your product sucks and you're an ugly I like to pretend I'm Morgan Freeman.
It gives me so much confidence. I do things I wouldn't have dared before.
I cry sometimes, but now people just think it's a filter. I like your new single, Me Too.
Our team of passionate designers and engineers have worked for months to make the DeepU quite versatile, fairly easy to use, almost lightweight, pretty durable, and kinda pretty. We kept redesigning every single component with the utmost attention to detail until we got everything about it okay-ish. The DeepU1 comes with a powerful exchangeable battery, a Bluetooth speaker, our patented X-ray See the Outside technology, and it's compatible with most current smartphone models and operating systems. And for a small extra charge, you get the DeepU1 Pro with a voice changer.
We hope that you back our campaign and help us bring the DeepU1 to life.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.